A box contains 12 identical balls, of which 5 are red, 4 blue, and the rest are green. If a ball is selected at random from the box, what is the probability that it is green? This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and then after that you pick the correct option. The total number of balls in the box is 12. Out of these 12 balls, 5 of them are red and 4 are blue, and the rest are green. The question wants us to find the probability that a ball selected at random from the box is green. The probability of selecting a green ball from the box will be equal to the number of green balls in the box divided by the total number of balls. We have the total number of balls to be 12. The question tells us that 5 balls are red and 4 are blue, and the rest are green. So it means that the number of green balls will be equal to the total number of balls, which is 12, minus the number of red balls, which is 5, minus the number of blue balls, which is 4. So you have 12 minus 5 minus 4, and this will give us 3. So it means there are 3 green balls in the box. The probability of selecting a green ball at random will be equal to the number of green balls in the box divided by the total number of balls. So the probability of selecting a green ball at random is equal to the number of green balls, which is 3, divided by the total number of balls, which is 12. 3 divided by 12 will give us 1 divided by 4. So the probability of selecting a green ball at random from the box is 1 divided by 4. When we look through the options we have, we can see that the correct option is A.